Hi, my name is Lauren Hall. I'm 9 years old and I live in Swanton. This year I am taking a bunny to the Fulton County Fair. This year for community service, we went to Henry Hughes to clean up the place. I participated to the rabbit show. I did showmanship and the market, and I won a trophy. The best thing about my bunny is to see it every single day and work with it every single day. Thank you for letting me share my project with you.